Hello, welcome to another of our videos. This is about growing things from seed really. I've grown some nasturtiums from seed, which are these, as you can see. It's very simple to sow in seed trays like this one here. This has actually got sweet peas in it at the moment, but I grew them in the seed trays first. When they got to a certain size, I then transferred them to a very small pot like this one, and then when they got a little bit bigger I moved them up into a bigger pot like this one. But as you can see, I've grown two lots of nasturtiums. This is the first lot of nasturtiums I grew. I started those in February, and then this is the second lot I started, and I started those towards the in March sometime. As you can see, the first lot, the roots are coming through at the bottom of the pot, so that means that they need to be repotted up into something a bit bigger. Good, because these are for summer displays. These are ideal to use in hanging baskets and pots, and they're a really cheap way of bringing very nice coloured flowers, which are orange, reds, yellows, to your garden without a lot of money spent on them. Although you do have to spend a little bit of time, you know, when you've got growing them from seed, but they are really easy to grow. I've grown them before. Now actually nasturtium flowers you can actually eat in salads.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to pot them up into bigger pots, which I don't want to put them in too big a pot, so I'm going to actually put them into this size pot.
So once they get to a certain size, obviously you keep moving from pot to pot until you put them in the garden. So how did you, if anyone's looking to grow these, how do they start? Obviously they get the seeds, don't they? And what do they use?
The seeds are very small, and then you need to put them in a seed tray, but you need to use seed compost. Don't use ordinary compost with them really, because it's too rich for them.
Okay, so you need seed compost. That's an important thing.
To start seeds and seedlings.
Okay.
Yeah, and just they're easy
need a seed
to grow.
Tray.
And what I did was, obviously this greenhouse is outside, but I started them off in the house on a windowsill, because obviously February was very cold, and even March, and I started them off in there, and then when they came through enough I moved them into the greenhouse.
Okay, so three important things to note. You'll need the seeds, obviously, seed compost, not regular compost, seed compost. You need seed trays, and you will need to leave them inside on, say, a windowsill where it's warm and it gets sunlight to get started. Then once the weather picks up a bit, this video is being shot in April 2022, so obviously now we can start doing a bit more with it, but when we first started we couldn't just put them in the greenhouse because it was too cold.
It's too cold out here because I haven't got any heat in this greenhouse. So if you've got a heater you probably could have started them off a bit earlier in here, but because I haven't got a heater in this greenhouse I didn't. But this time of year now is ideal.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps anyone looking to grow nasturtiums from seedlings. We do grow other bits. We may make some more videos about bits like this, lupins. We'll see.
These are sweet peas starting in seed trays.
Sweet peas.
These down here are tomatoes from seed, and I've got some peppers over there from seed.
So you can grow quite a bit from seed. It's just you have to. It just takes a bit of time, and you have to grow it inside for a little bit.
You have to have patience, but it's the first year that I've really grown things like I've grown nasturtiums from seed before, but I thought I'd try and grow some other bits and pieces from seed, and we'll see how we go. Right.
If that video has helped you, feel free to like it. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.